everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Clara from Caterbe Construction Equipment Company. Our company belongs to my group, EON-MAC, and our group has accumulated nearly 17 years experience in the export trade of construction machinery and house. In the last video, we were in the Chengli factory, and today, let's visit the factory of SANY together.
There are so many equipment in the factory, such as excavators, dump trucks, firefighting trucks, aerial work platforms, and so on.
Now, let me introduce the machine beside me. SANY Electric Telescopic SPT20AC. The high-stake working environment, every centimeter of elevation demands unconfined safety and efficiency. This model has 21.8 and 9.8 platform. What is restricted? Flex platform produces 2 people and tools, and it's for 230 kilometers and kilograms with mixing capacity. That is restricted, unrestricted. It can carry 3 people and tools, and it holds 450 kilograms with capacity. Fully proportional valves and controls for more precise movements. 360-degree continuous rotation for easier operation. Precise control of and extensions that minimize platform oscillation and turning it optimized for smooth traveling. Okay, let's take a look at the tool. The pad designed to elevate in high spaces. The all dimensions, it's 9.0 and 2.33 millimeter and 2.0. And for the package, it has 2.4 length and 0.91 watts. It drives 5.5 kilometers per hour when installed, and 0.91 kilometers. Well, you may ask why choose SANY? Modular design adopted for the entire production line. Part commonality exceeds 90%, and all the SANY aerial work platforms comply with CE standards. So that's what I should say. If you have more questions about SANY products, please feel free to contact me. This is Clara, waiting for your inquiry. See you next video. Bye.